put the C foot on. Going to go back to the quilting menu, but I want to go to page 1. Center needle position is 01. The first thing we're going to do is customize what we need on the screen. Let's shut the pivot off. Let's go to our settings. And here I'm going to put the height back to the standard height, which was 3.2. Go to page 4. The needle is in the needle down position. We really want that for free motion quilting, so we're going to leave that, but below it we're going to shut off the needle position stitch placement. Now once I do that, I need a little quilt sandwich. So I'm going to lay this here, and I want you to notice the feed dogs. They're up, okay? When the feed dogs are up, it makes it a little harder to free motion quilt. So on your regular machine, you might have dropped the feed dogs and changed the pressure on your foot. But here I'm going to touch this icon here for free motion. The feed dogs are going to drop. Notice the foot that it shows us to use. Now with that, this is a floating foot. So the C foot floats on top of the fabric. The O foot has a spring. This piece will ride the needle screw bar, and it's an open toe. So visibility, you might see better with this one or with the C foot. Then we have the Echo foot. Kind of looks like a contact lens, but what's nice about this is you can really see it has lines on it, and you could echo as you go around something, maybe applique or embroidery. This is my favorite foot. I really like this. So I'm going to start and just play to do some free motion. So the foot, I'm going to put it down, and I'm just going to start. And I want to get this thread out of my way because it was on top of the foot. Now I'm ready to go. So just a little doodle to see how it works. And with this, you might put your speed at a medium speed to get a nice pace instead of going real fast. But free motion quilting, again, it's feed dogs drop, the free motion foot on, and you will be able to move your fabric freely. As a new quilter, if you're a new free motion quilter, I'm going to suggest you unplug your foot controller, okay? And notice the light on the machine turned green. What this is going to allow us to do, I'm going to drop my foot. I've got the speed set at a medium speed, so I'm going to get one speed, one movement of my hands, one stitch length. This is actually a speed regulation using that. So watch what happens. Slow movement with the hands. The needle might feel like it's going fast, but it really isn't. It can go quite a bit faster. And then reach up when you're ready to stop. Touch your stop button. Thread cutter. And free motion.